So these are from the French doors downstairs. I don't know if you can see that. Luna, is there a kitty? Go look for the kitty. Let's give some people some scope here. Is there a kitty? Can you see the kitty? Look for the kitty. Is there a kitty out there? So she's an 8-pound dog. It's higher than her now. At the door. Now we have these curved, huge drifts. Looks like the neighbor's trying to work on a path to his barn. The neighbor's back deck. That's a pickup down there. Couple of vehicles actually. And there's the picnic table, which is kind of under the pines, so it's not fully deep, but it's pretty deep. The seats are covered. So it's just kind of crazy out. Let's go over. Here's my other window. The snow's coming up. More craziness. Let's open it. That hump right there is the heat pump, but I use oil heaters. I don't use the heat pump. It doesn't really help at, 10 degrees. So the deck is up there. Of course, the barn, the bird bath, the picnic table again. High knob has disappeared for a few days, and it's still just blowing. It's just craziness. Still just going. And it's supposed to do this until about 1 a.m. So anyway, that's the latest, and it is, what? I'm not sure what time it is. But anyway, that's the update.